is from Alan Saconstar's Photog. After doing action sa previous teleserye mong Incognito, anong i-expect ng viewer sa bago mong character dito?
Well, definitely it's a very different genre altogether. So I feel like the feel of the show is very different, and yung character ko as a whole, she's an attorney. She has a lot of layers emotionally, but I feel like the main thing in terms of acting-wise siguro, yung napapansin kong difference is dito, na-challenge ako sa restraint. Kasi I feel like with Direct Freud, Direct Dado, and I, we're very careful in plotting the scenes wherein Erica's able to really show her vulnerability. We want to show that Erica's the type of character na hindi masyadong emotional. Which I feel like is quite far from a lot of the characters that I've played before, and even Max in Incognito was a bit more showy than Erica is. So I feel like in terms of comparison, for me, yun yung challenge ko dito.
Okay, thank you.